Alright, so this video is about to be a quick video before I go to sleep. Now, on this YouTube channel, bro, I have to keep my foot on the gas and keep on adding value to the people. So there's two things I'm gonna talk about in today's video. One, how to heal your mind from watching porn. And two, how to save more money, because whether y'all want to believe it or not, watching porn has an effect on your financial journey. Okay? Now, the reason why I want to make this video is because I've been seeing these videos in the YouTube algorithm, so I might as well give it a shot. You never know who these videos are going to reach. So the first thing I want to talk about is how to heal your mind from watching those videos, which is PMO. Number one, you have to realize how your dopamine system works. And a lot of us get hits of dopamine from things that don't really help you evolve. So scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Facebook, Instagram, watching endless amounts of YouTube videos, watching endless amounts of PMO videos, video games, things like that. Those hits of dopamine aren't the healthiest, if that makes sense. Your real dopamine should come from things that make you progress in life, right? So working out in the gym, journaling, creating videos if you have a YouTube channel, going outside, touching some grass, getting you some sunlight, things like that, bro. Like making progression in life, like financial goals, whatever. Because your dopamine, like, I ain't gonna front, PMO will fry your dopamine receptors. It will also numb you. So like you'll be numb to what's really exciting in life. And one thing I've been having to really battle with is like my anger, right? So before I stopped being addicted to watching those videos, I would use those videos to make me feel good, right? Like for example, bruh, I had one of the toughest days yesterday, right? Not even gonna lie to y'all, bruh. I had one of the toughest days. I let my anger get the best of me. I lashed out, a whole bunch of stupid shit. And today I'm like sitting in it, right? I'm sitting in the negativity. I'm trying my best to release the energy, right? But release the energy in a positive way. Not release the energy by watching PMO videos. You feel me? So it's like, because I always remind myself, bro, like PMO was one of the hurtful addictions in my life, and it took a lot away from me. And then also having to realize like PMO is fake, right? So your subconscious mind and your brain doesn't know the difference between something that's real and something that's fake. It just knows what you're telling it. So, and then too, like you have to do a lot of like deep soul searching, because you have to ask yourself, when you watch those videos, who are those people that you're watching? And then how is that making you aroused when you're not really there? You feel me? It's things that you got to really think about. You know what I'm saying? Some people may go the rest of their life just thinking that there's nothing wrong with watching PMO until you like in your 50s or 60s or even in your 40s or 30s, and you can't even enjoy the intimacy with your spouse. You feel me? Or you get intimate with your spouse and it only lasts a couple minutes. You gotta worry about the health effects, right? So that's why I be telling you how to retain your essence, take back your power, learn how to cultivate the energy instead of releasing it to a screen. You feel me? Excuse me. So how does that correlate to like your financial journey? So Excuse me. I already been telling y'all, bro. I'm in the stock market. Me being on retention has helped me get stronger financially. Even though I don't know it all, right? Even though I'm still healing from financial traumas, things like that. It has helped me get stronger financially and, mentally, and spiritually as well. Now, the aggression on my retention journey, that's probably one of my downfalls, because I do get very angry and aggressive, and I gotta work on that. But financially, when you are releasing your essence, you're feeling empty, right? So if you spend money on, let's just say, a webcam girl, right? Or you spend money on watching OnlyFans or whatever, you're wasting your money on somebody that doesn't even know that you exist, and they're just taking your money and they're getting an ego boost, right? So that woman that you're watching on the cam girl, she don't even know you, but you're giving this lady your money. So then that leads to other areas. Like, you see how men be so eager to give their money away to women on social media, and women see how easy it is to get something from a man. But if you're a man and you realize nah, I work for my money, I'm not about to just give my money away that freely, and you start having more respect for yourself and more dignity, you'll start to realize a lot of people just looking for a come up, right? A lot of people are just looking for somebody that they could use. But a lot of people aren't genuine anymore. You feel me? And you start first by being genuine with yourself, and learning how to see through this matrix, because the matrix is an illusion. People, it's hard to come across genuine people or loyal people. If you come across a genuine person or a loyal person, you have to cherish that. It's hard to come across a person that doesn't want to use you for your resources. Not all people are like that, though. Not all people try to use you, but this generation and in this time and age, people pay attention to what you have rather than who you are as a person. So once again, you being addicted to the PMO is messing up your dopamine receptors. Then sometimes you do things very, very impulsive. So you'll buy something very impulsively, or you'll spend your money on something that you probably don't even need. So when you control the energy, it helps you control your finances. It helps you figure out a way to get positive hits of dopamine, which is you could put the money in the stock market. That's going to give you a positive hit of dopamine. You're rewiring your brain, You're rewiring the chemistry that you have with yourself. But it all starts with PMO. You're even working on your mental health in some way, shape, or form. When you watch a PMO, you're destroying your mental health. Because you're cooking yourself consciously. You feel me? But when you let go of the PMO and you learn how to free your mind from the PMO, now you have to figure out how to deal with your emotions without coping. That's something that I'm dealing with to this day. It's just trying to figure out how to deal with my emotions without coping, without using substances. I stopped smoking weed. I be having my moments where I want to go back to smoking weed. You feel me? But I've been staying strong. I don't watch TV. I see there's no TV there. I don't play video games. No, none of that, bro. I just be trying to figure out my life and do the things that's gonna bring me the best return on investment and still work on myself. And I tell you all the time, bro, I'm not some perfect ass person, bro. I got anger problems. I have internal wounds to heal. I have my inner child to heal. But I know that my inner child doesn't deserve to be dealing with life watching PMO videos. That's not fair to me. You feel me? And it's not good for your mental, and it's not good for your spiritual growth. So, but yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video for y'all. Give the video a thumbs up. Get this video on the YouTube algorithm. Y'all all have the ability to break y'all addiction, bro. Whether y'all want to believe it or not. But it's up to you. Feel me? Leave your comments below. And free Discord chat, free Telegram chat. If y'all want to join, it'll be pinned in the comment section below. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. It's your boy Timus Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir.